Well, we got all the parts painted for a Raptor. So I figured I'd go ahead and make a video and get her put back together and see what she looks like. Look pretty. Working on new cars is like, you know, an adult Lego set. Put them in. There it is. Now that we got it all clipped together, you flip it over, put our T15 screws in the back. Screws in the corners, reinforce it. Now we gotta get this shutter on the back of it. Now this truck was purchased by another dealer and sent here. And upon taking the bumper off, we noticed somebody was hiding something. Whole end of that frame rail tore open, ripped up, rusted. Big deal? Nah, not really. But when you pay $100,000 for a truck, that's not going to work at all. There we go. Alright, let's get this bumper put on. The rest of it goes easy after this. If we can get it to line up on that shoddy frame mount. It really doesn't want to. Let's get the bumper tightened up so we can get the valance and grill in it. Might get a little loud, I apologize. I line them up with my eyes. My good old eyesight. Now, will this one line up with this messed up rail? That is a question I do not know, but we are going to find out. It's not wanting to. Stay there. Get back on it there, silly. Yeah, that's all she got, Captain. Those get lost in there easy. Now we got those. Time for a grill. Big old Legos. Grab a pen. to our 8. It's back in there. Get the valence out of the back. Yes, I'm punching it. It's hard plastic. It takes some force. Oh well, we gotta get our dress up pieces. Voila. Now we got the front end all squared away and looking right. Then go get our flares. Get the lights in them and stick them on our flare. Then you're gonna plug and play this thing. Takes a little bit of lining up. Then it takes some smacking. Good to go. Now the driver's side. Things get twisted up when they put them on the stands and paint them. It's aggravating sometimes to get them back in, but they'll go. Just take some nail going. Man, look at that. That's another one I made look 10 times better than what it should. This thing is nice. Really liking the white. Definitely some bigger wheels and tires, but I can deal with it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.